Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Myself, Ishtiyaq teacher, high school, Sadboin. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on propagation of sound. Sound is produced by vibrating objects. The matter or substance through which sound is transmitted is called a medium. It can be solid, liquid, or gas. Sound moves through a medium from the point of generation to the listener. When an object vibrates, it sets the particles of the medium around it vibrating. The particles do not travel all the way from the vibrating object is first displaced from its equilibrium position. It then exerts a force on the adjacent particles, as a result of which the adjacent particles get displaced from its position of rest. After displacing the adjacent particles, the first practice come back to its original position. This process continues in the medium till the sound reaches your ears. The disturbance created by a source of sound in the medium travel through the medium and not the particle of the medium. A wave is disturbance that move through a medium when the particles of the medium set neighboring particles into motion. They in turn produce similar motion in others. Air is the most common medium through which sound travels. When a vibrating object moves forward, it pushes and compresses the air in front of it, creating a region of high pressure. Pressure is related to the number of particles of a medium in a given volume. More density of the particle in the medium gives more pressure and vice versa. Thus, propagation of sound can be visualized as propagation of density vibrations or pressure varies in the medium. Okay, Allah Hafiz.